Hi folks, it's Switchback. In this video today, I am going to show you how to relace a Salomon shoe using their Quicklace system that you can purchase separately. I've already removed the lace here from this shoe. And so what you'll need to do is, there are little loops on the ends of the laces that come with, and you don't need those for the more modern models. They keep those on for some of the older models apparently. So you'll want to cut that off. Thought those scissors were a little sharper than they are. And then you're going to go ahead and singe the ends just so that they don't fray and they're a little easier to get through the laces here. I'm going to go ahead and fish it through here as best I can. One thing I've found helpful is using a small paper clip unfolded in half here, and you can kind of use that to help kind of push the lace through here. Now we have the push button here, and we're going to need the taller end to be up and the smaller end to be closer to the shoe here. Here at Switchback Studios, things you figure out along the way here. Okay. What you're going to need to do is, there's a spring in there, and so you're just going to need to push the button so that it'll slide, and then this will fish right on in. So I'm gonna pinch it between my fingers here, push that up, and smooth as butter. Cooperate, says me. Abracadabra, what's the magic word? There we go. Don't mind the tap dancing dogs in the background. I need better extras. I finally got that on. So now I'm going to slide that on down. Next, you're gonna need the little clasp. So there's a little rubber one on this one. So you're gonna need the male end and the female end, because these will go together and that will keep the lace together. So you're gonna need to put these on the laces with the intention that they're gonna face each other in the end. So you're gonna fish the end through there on one side, and do the same thing on the other. And then you're going to put just a small little square knot in there. So just loop that through. Again, try to make it kind of roughly the same length. I'm gonna go a little further down. Try to make them nice and tight. You can use pliers to try to pull this harder to make it even tighter. And then I'm going to trim off the excess that's past the knots. Probably would have worked better before I cut off the excess, but that's all right. Let's see. There we go. All right, now I can get that through. And then connect there. All set. 2 fully functional shoes. So one thing I do when I'm doing this is not my pair, this is my son's pair. When I secure these down is I'll tuck the excess into the tongue, and that'll keep all that stuff from flopping around. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that you get some more life out of your Salomons. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends, and let me know what kinds of Salomons you like to wear. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.